Adding components to a schematic sheet can be achieved using a number of approaches. Here we have opened the driver sheet. The Libraries panel provides access to libraries and facilities to find parts to create the components. The first part is provided from an installed library. The filter will be used to narrow the list available. Wildcard characters can be used in this filter. The found component part has multiple gates. The gates are added in sequence using the place button. Here by power symbol first, as it was the last selected. After the last gate of the set is added, another is offered from the next set. Use escape if not required. Here, a capacitor is required from the installed libraries. Remember, however, to remove the previous filter. This is placed by a simple drag from the list. Another approach is to use the Place Part command from the Home ribbon. The part dialog allows a variety of ways to reuse, change, or find component parts. A Browse facility is provided from the Choose button. The mask box provides a filter. The designator can be defined before placement of symbol along with required footprint. Note, however, that component designators can also be numbered globally through an automatic function. Another facility to define the way the component looks is the Tab key, which is used whilst the component is on the cursor to open its properties. A further approach is to use the Libraries Search facility to locate parts in the installed libraries. This has a number of options to search by multiple criteria. If no success, then the search can be widened to the centralized folder of libraries. When a number of parts are found, other columns of data can be shown to help with the selection of the part you require. For note, the two miscellaneous libraries are for training purposes. As the chosen component part is from a library not installed, the option to install is provided. Other parameters may be displayed on the symbol if the parameter placeholder is present on that symbol. Finally, you can also add components by using copy and paste and the Shift plus drag command from a current symbol.